Face to the screen, slaves. Today we got our 577 projectile. I just forged it. It's originally a 5/8 inch paddle bit, and I made it into basically an arrowhead. Like I said, 577 grains. That's with this, which is 21 grains, so you got 556 grains by itself. We're going to shoot this 4-pound roast. It's got a big, thick, fat side here we're going to shoot at. See how deep we get. I'm going to go back 4 yards. I'm going to straighten it out. So I'm shooting it broadside here. Here we go. So we got this much penetration. I'm going to grab a hold of it here, bring it to the camera so you can see it is this roast right here. And so we got that deep, which is, we're looking at almost 4 inches. Not quite, maybe 4 at the most. So that's it for today. Pretty good shooting. See you later.